Hey guys, just finished doing my yoga. I know I don't look my best, but this is what people actually look like without having to put some makeup on. So anyway, hey, welcome back to my video. This is Lucky. I'm here in Murabuka in WA, and I'm just sharing this precious moment just to capture my pets with me. I just finished walking them, and then I've also just finished with my yoga. I'll let you hear and see what actually goes on in our household. And here's Puppy. What should I say? Is Puppy being nice to Sam, or Puppy only does this because Sam's in the cage? If Sam comes out of the cage, Puppy will take off because Sam is the boss of them all. Sam is the actual boss of all this, out of all the pets. So we've got Puppy, we've got Sam, the cockatoo, and we've got Bubsy there in his cage, and we've got Savea here, lying down on the mat. And that's what they do. They just love barking, you know. So, what are you doing? Hey, Savea, come on. Come on, Puppy. There's Puppy coming back. So that's us every morning. Go for a walk. Take them two for a walk first. Puppy and Savea, the two female. Yeah, these are the two young ladies. And then we come back with some branches for Sam and Bubsy. Hi, Bubsy. I'm going to do a close-up of you. And then I put on my yoga mat and I start stretching, and these two lie down on the mat, think they can join me. And then we have an audience. We have Sam and Bubsy watching us, and then I play some after I do my yoga stretches. I play either music. And right now I'm playing Ian Tonga. He's so good. Sorry, Tonga, if I'm saying your name wrong, but Ian Tonga. And he plays some really amazing songs. It's just so awesome. Or otherwise I listen to some preaching. Yeah, so I have a brilliant morning, but today is one of the best mornings because it's so cool. The air, oh. But the music I'm listening to, yeah, it's so amazing. I mean, listen to that. Beautiful. I'm going to miss them when I go though, because I'll be heading over to Brisbane next week on Thursday. And then from there I'll stay for 10-12 days with my sister turning 70. And then I'll head back to New Zealand to be with my dad and my husband and the family. And then I'll come back to Sydney for my son on the birth of our first grandchild, this beautiful wife, and my amazing son. I also have a beautiful, gorgeous daughter who lives here in Perth. I'm living here with her. So yes, right now, this is just the best life I'm living right now. And there's more to come, more to come. So this is our daily morning session. So I better be getting ready to go soon because I have to meet a friend down at Murabuka for brunch. But thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure to always have you on my videos. My face is not the best at the moment. I haven't got anything on, but I've just finished my workout, so yeah. And it's just here. I love it when it's cool. The weather's so cool right now. But I also love it when the sun is shining. Yeah. So that's us here from Murabuka in WA. Enjoy the rest of your days, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Cheers for now.